Hello, good evening to everyone. Welcome to TechEasy. Today in this video, we'll see this overall overview of this Prestige Infrared Cooktop. Remember, this is not induction cooktop. Instead, this is infrared cooktop. See here, there is a slight difference between induction cooktop and infrared cooktop. In fact, infrared cooktop supports a lot of materials to cook on it, like aluminum, stainless steel, or what is this, iron kadai. So yeah, more options will be there, and that too the heat will be really high. Means this plate, the ceramic plate on this infrared cookware gets really heated up, okay? So you need to be very careful. That is already mentioned as the caution on the plate itself. Do not touch the surface after the use, as this plate will be really hot. That is what it is mentioned here. And this knob is the temperature control. You can increase and decrease the temperature control, and along with that there are some presets for sorting. See here, for salt, for grill, for deep fry, for pressure cooker. So you can just click on the touch panel so that it adjusts to that. So if you are using a pressure cooker, you can touch on the pressure cooker and keep on the cooking lid on that, and manually also you can increase and decrease the temperature control using this knob. And the outer one is the ceramic plate they have mentioned, and the inner body, this one, the bottom body is stainless steel. And let us look at the other side of this product also. Maybe these are new in the market. This is the very first time I am looking at a product which is infrared cooktop. If anyone are already using this infrared cooktop, please do share your opinions or your user experience of using this product. Just comment down below, that whoever reads that will get the information. But this is the first time I am looking at this infrared cooktop, and as a caution it is written, the exact model is infrared cooktop from Prestige PIRC 1.0 or 1.0. okay. And I found out the online availability of this product also, and the price details I will be letting you know. Okay, it is somewhere nearly around 2,900 rupees. Okay. Anyway, at the end of the video we will see. And this is 2,200 watts. That's the reason this is really, means once you use this, the plate gets really hot. Okay, durable stainless steel body, sleek design. Okay, it supports cooking lids. It supports. This is one of the advantage, and faster cooking, you can say. But it consumes a little bit of power, okay, because this is 2,200 watts. So this will take up some energy or the power, so that you need to be double sure that if you're about concerning about the power bill, then you need to think. Yeah, Prestige 2200 infrared cooktop, radiant heating technology. Yeah, sleek in design. Yes, the design is looking pretty premium, that I can say. The design is pretty. See here, copper induction cookware, hard ionized non-stick materials, means lot of cooking vessels or cooking pans you can keep on top of it and you can cook. That is the main advantage of this infrared cooktop, that you can say. Okay, and this is silver and black combination. The exact model is PIRC 1.0. If you do have any other questions, I will be tagging this in the viewers. Please do check, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.